What's up, Royals? It's your girl Rachel Monique, and I am back with another video. If you're new here today, I do videos on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, Royals, so much for the support. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I style my console table. Now, I don't have an entryway technically into my apartment, but you can always create that entryway vibe simply by adding a console table with some cute decor pieces. So this will be the first video in the home decor series that I promised you guys. I really hope you like this type of content because I do enjoy this as well. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Definitely subscribe so I can come back and keep giving you awesome content. So what I'm doing now is I'm just giving the area a good sweep. I just want to make sure that I start off with a clean area. Also, guys, if you see my cat in the background going crazy, please don't mind her. I told you guys before that whenever I turn on the camera, she just will not let me be great. So please excuse Sagey Cat in the background. Thanks. So there is mirrored glass at the top of this console table. So you'll see me here just giving that a really good wipe down to make sure that it's clean and shining. And enter Sagey Cat. Wanting to be a part of the magic. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna wipe the table down really good. Like I said, it's very important to start with a clean space. So we're going to start with this first item, which is a small decorative box that I got from Ross stores. This box costs $8.99. You can't see it very well right here, but it is a light blue colored box that has a gold marble effect on it. I will show you guys a close-up a little bit later on in the video so you can see the design better. The next item that I have is just another decorative box. This is a larger box from the same place. This box was $10.99 and it features that same gold marble design as well. Y'all, I am so in love with this next item. Just bomb. So I got this king lion head, that's what we're calling it, from Home Goods, and it was only $29.99, but it's just so bomb. It makes such a statement. I had to pick it up for the console table. Now they did also have these in white and gold, and they had them with gorillas with a crown as well if you like that. So I'm not really a fan of orchids, but after months and months of trying to find flowers and I couldn't for a decent price, I just went ahead and picked these up from Ross. They were $21.99. They are cute. I'm just not necessarily a fan of the whole orchid trend. I do like roses and like baby breaths and peonies and things like that, but it served its purpose and it looks good in the space. I also went ahead and picked up this rhinestone jar from Home Goods. This was $16.99 and it is so bomb, super classy. I loved it so much that after a while of looking at how gorgeous it was, I had to go back to Home Goods and I actually bought a second one that I placed on my mantelpiece, which I'll be making a video for that as well and showing you guys how I styled that. But this is a good look for just any space. You can put it on a console table, you can put it on a tray in the bathroom and put, you know, just little toiletry things in them on the counter. It just is a really good piece. Very versatile. You can really use it anywhere in your home. This next item, there's a little debate about it, but we're gonna call this a vase, okay? So this is a Mozaic mirrored tile floor vase. Super cute. Picked it up from Ross. It was only $29.99. This item has some weight to it, y'all. It's super heavy, but it ties in my mixed metals. It has the gold, it has the silver mirror, and I just think it fits the space really well, especially since I have not had a chance to purchase the ottomans that I want to go under the console table. So we need something on the floor to balance everything out, and I think this would be a good look. Next item we have are these florals from Hobby Lobby. They had a 50% off sale, so I figured I would go ahead and pick those up. They're super beautiful. I have two of the straight, not sure what kind of flowers these are, but two of the straight vines, and then I have two of the cascading vines as well. I thought they would both be great to put in the vase on the floor. And then that's also tying in my blue color. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my style is more modern glam. And my pop of color is blue. So I have some navy blues, some light blues, and some royal blues, kind of all just mixed in there, doing what they do, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much my style. And then I'm also mixing my metals. I also want to mention very quickly that that Buddha picture that's above the console table is from Ross. It was $34.99, and then the console table itself was also from Ross, and I got that for $79.99, which is a steal deal compared to what I was looking at spending on other tables. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a close-up for you guys, and just basically let you see what everything looks like up close. I'll get a little bit closer in a moment as well, so you can also see the marble design I was telling you about that's featured on the two boxes. Isn't that vase gorgeous? The vase, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. The vase is just gorgeous. The blue complements everything very well. Love, love, love this jar. Look at the bling. It's just sparkling when the light hits it. When the sun is coming through, it actually creates this rainbow pattern on the wall behind it. It's super cute. I love it. Lion head, super bomb. Just super bomb. You know, we're royals over here, so that fits the whole vibe very nicely. And then I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Oh gosh, just stunning. I love this. And the top is actually open too, so I can put things in there if I wanted to. I could add some flowers, but you know, I like it just as is. And then there goes that marble pattern on the box again. Super beautiful. Pretty orchids, very pretty. Like I said, I'm not really a fan, but it does fit the space nicely. I probably will switch it out, but for right now, it's a vibe. Love, love the picture. Love it. It really just ties in all of my blues, so it's a really good look. I'm loving the vibe of the console table and just the decor. I really like it. So like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think about what I've done here. Do you like it? Yay, nay? How are you feeling about the color scheme? So I wanted to add this last clip to show you guys that I actually changed up the console table a little bit. I put the decorative boxes on top of each other and then put the rhinestone jar on top of that. I like the idea of the boxes being together, so I just switched that out really quick. But other than that, everything is still the same. So like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you like this content on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.